Black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo, look at that black yo.
Hi Vicky Squad, I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be installing this lace front unit from Cynosure hair. I already bleached the knots, so today I'm going to be going in with a powder foundation that is close to my skin tone, and I'm going to be applying that to the lace.
The details of this unit is it's a 6x13 lace front unit. It is 150 density, 22 inches long, and it is a Brazilian deep wave.
I didn't add a crazy layer of foundation, but I did do enough to give it a slight tint to match my skin tone, as you can see. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the ear tabs prior to putting it on my head, just because the wig is a little bit larger than my head itself. Now that I've made sure the wig is lined up perfectly, I'm going to cut 3 sections into the lace before applying any glue. I feel like it is easier to control. First, I'm going in with a thin layer of the Got To Be Glued gel, and this is the clear one that comes in the black bottle. Now I'm going in with the layer of the Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray, and I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this down until it's a little tacky, and then I'm going to apply the lace after that. And I will be doing the same process for my entire head. Since this unit was a little bit larger than my head, I did have to go in and cut more hair off of the unit than I intended. So I'm just showing you guys here how I cut my ear tabs. I didn't want to do too much talking in this video, but I do want to go ahead and talk a bit about the unit itself. For one, my first impression when I opened the box, the hair was extremely soft, the curls were very nicely formed, and it didn't have any funny smell. As far as shipping, the unit did come on time. It came within about a week from me ordering it. The company was very good at sending email updates on when my package would be processed, shipped, and expected delivery. This unit took very well to me bleaching the knots. I didn't have to leave it on any extended amount of time. Honestly, you don't have to bleach the knots, but that's just my preference for customization. So this wig is bomb, ladies. Now I'm going in with my handy dandy brow razor, and I'm just going to be getting as close as possible to the hairline. I like to use a razor better than scissors because you don't want a straight line cut across for your lace. It's easier to detect it that way. I like to go in with another layer of the freeze spray to lay down any of the very ends of the lace that may fray up before I go and lay my baby hairs. Now I'm just pulling out a thin layer of baby hairs from the hairline for me to go ahead and cut down. And you guys are going to see how thin, like you can see straight through the hairs that I'm pulling down. You don't want a thick amount. You want to literally just scrape the very beginning of the hairline and pull forward those baby hairs, and that's what you're going to use to style. So when I'm doing my baby hairs, I like to go in with a draft first because there's layers to this. You can't just jump straight into it. So I'm laying them down with mousse first just to see how everything is laying before I go in and set them fully in place with spritz and tie them down and all of that jazz. Now that I have the baby hairs styled the way I want them, I'm going in with a layer of spritz, and then I'm going to tie my baby hairs down and blow dry them for about 30 seconds. This isn't something I normally do every time I install a wig, but if it's my first time wearing the wig, this is definitely a step that I like to do to help mold the wig. This is the final look after I've wet down the hair. I really didn't even soak it as much as I wanted to because I didn't have a towel, but this is how far it goes. And the hair is extremely soft, really bouncy. It does get really full and big when it dries. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Vicky Squad.